This is the Super Mario RPG soundtrack, the remake one. Got this from CD Japan. Back in the box. Front. It's really nice. Oh, there's a notch right here, so you lift it easy. It's just one Mario. Kinopio. Toad. Black. Adding here. Nope. I'm not gonna take it out, but side one. Second side. Is the track list. So it tells you which one's which, or just score written by Koji. Interesting. The arrangement, the notes. Pause the video if you want. Metal. Kirsten. I don't remember his name. English name. For some reason I thought it was gonna be colored vinyls. But it's all black. Gino Peach. It's black vinyl. There's nothing else in there. Nope. Koopa, Bowser, and Yoshi. Black vinyl. Yeah, for some reason I thought it would be like red, blue, green, yellow vinyl, but it's all black. Maybe maybe I saw something wrong, or yeah, this is just a quick unboxing. I wish there's like a a photo book. Apparently not. It's a nice box set. You can actually feel the texture. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.